In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create captivating and professional-looking text-on-path designs using the Ellipse tool and the Artistic Text tool. Whether you're designing a logo, creating a stylish headline, or adding a bespoke touch to your artwork, placing text on a path can add a dynamic flair to your digital projects. Let's dive right in. To start, you need to create or select the circle, or any path, that you want your text to follow. If you're starting from scratch, a quick and easy way to do this is by using the Ellipse tool. To access it, just locate the tool in your toolbar and click to select it. Now, if you're aiming for a perfect circle, hold down the Shift key as you drag out your shape. This little trick ensures your circle doesn't end up looking like an oval, giving you a perfect base for your text. With your circle in place, the next step is to switch to the Artistic Text tool, which you can activate by pressing the letter T on your keyboard. Hover your cursor over the outline or the edge of your circle, and you'll notice the cursor change slightly, indicating that it's ready to place text along the path. Go ahead and click once to get started with adding your text. As you begin typing, you'll see two small triangular handles appear on your circle or path. These are your start and end handles, and they're super handy for determining where on the path your text begins and ends. The green handle marks the start, while the end handle appears orange, sometimes a slightly reddish hue. By clicking and dragging these handles, you can precisely adjust the placement of your text around your circle. To center your text right at the top of the circle, you might need to move the green and orange handles to the left and right, aligning them with the half-circle positions. Once there, you can align your text to the center using your alignment tools, ensuring it sits perfectly at the top. If you find that your text is wrapping inside the circle and you'd rather have it on the outside or vice versa, you can easily switch the position. Simply use the baseline adjustment or look for the Reverse Text Path option in the Context toolbar. This handy feature allows you to flip your text to the other side with just a click, giving you complete control over its placement. Now, it's time to bring your creative touch to the text. Style it as you see fit. Choose a font that matches your project's vibe, adjust the size for better visibility, play around with tracking or kerning for that perfect spacing, and of course select a color that pops. Plus, if at any point you want to change the shape of your circle or path, feel free to use the Node tool or path editing options. Your text will stay beautifully aligned along your adjusted path. And there you have it, a polished text-on-path design that's ready to dazzle. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.